is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix ABN AMRO app login issues. So you're gonna first, of course, you're gonna check for your internet connection and verify login credentials. If you make sure you're running a proper internet connection and you are logging in with the right credentials. After you've done that, you're gonna temporarily disable any antivirus programs like these or firewalls on your device. After that, you're gonna clear your app data and cache. This is the most important part. You're gonna go to settings, and after that you're gonna go to app. In the apps you're gonna find ABN AMRO, and when you find it, you're gonna click on it and scroll down till you find storage. Click on storage and click clear data and clear cache. If this still doesn't help, you're gonna update the app. Make sure you are running the latest version, of course. If they still do not work, you're gonna contact ABN AMRO support. You're gonna describe them your issue and they will help you fix it. Well, that is it.